please open your camera if it's possible. Yeah. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. Selamat malam semuanya.
Selamat malam.
Ya,
Selamat malam.
Selamat siang.
yang di
Selamat
sana.
siang.
Selamat siang for us here.
Yeah.
Oke.
Begitu.
Selamat
See.
no, selamat malam.
Oh,
All right.
malam ya.
Selamat malam.
Let me share my screen first. Can you guys see it?
Ya,
Yes.
Okay, so welcome back to today's class. With me, Muhammad Rafi. Kamu bisa panggil saya Rafi. You can call me Rafi. And with my partner,
Muhammad Faiz Haidar, you can call me Faiz. Kamu bisa panggil saya Faiz, oke?
So for today's topic is about daily activities atau aktivitas sehari-hari. Ya,
oke. Aktivitas sehari-hari.
Aktivitas sehari-hari.
Ya, daily
Aktivitas.
activity.
ah,
Aktivitas sehari-hari.
ya
Yes.
betul.
Sehari means daily.
Ya,
I think sehari-hari is
Aktivitas
really is
sehari.
daily.
Yes, sehari-hari is daily.
It shows a repetition, eh? Sehari-hari.
Yes.
Can you see the red one in here? Apa yang kamu lakukan hari ini?
Ya.
Yes.
apa yang
What do you-
kamu? Ya,
apa yang kamu lakukan hari ini? What did you do today?
oh, the sound is quite slow, teacher.
Wait a minute.
Your sound is low. Yours is low.
What about now? Can you hear me?
Ya, ya.
Okay. So, in here the red line say apa yang kamu lakukan hari ini? What did you do today? Is like for asking about what did you do on today? Let's just start it. Sorry. Ya. Aktivitas. So, apa yang sedang mereka lakukan di gambar ini? What did they do on this picture? Can anyone know what this one is?
She wake up.
Yeah, right.
She wake up
Yeah.
from.
She wake up from her sleep atau dia baru bangun tidur.
What?
Itu
Lalu yang kedua,
itu makan apel.
Yes, that is very correct.
Oh, ini
That
gambar
I learned
Benar.
from Duolingo.
Ah, Duolingo really helps ya. What about this one?
Yeah.
Is writing.
In bahasa,
She is a study.
Ya, belajar.
Belajar, yes.
ya,
Belajar, ya.
Belajar,
menulis.
yes.
Oke.
Belajar means writing
No, belajar is
or
actually
study.
study. Yes.
Belajar is study and writing means menulis.
Okay, so now moving on to, as you can see here, there are some activities here and also how their words in English and also Indonesia. So the first one we got, the person is waking up. So Indonesia, you said wake up is bangun tidur.
What?
Bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur is for
Bangun.
waking up. Yes, bangun
Bangun
tidur.
tidur.
Yes,
Okay.
bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Yes, bangun tidur.
Nah,
Then
bangun
the
tidur.
next activity is sleep. And in Indonesia, you said
Tidur.
tidur. Yes, that is
Tidur.
very correct.
Mhm.
And then we got eats in
Makan.
Indonesia. Makan. Yes, that's very
Makan.
nice. Makan.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and the next activity is cook. And in Indonesia, we said masak.
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 Masak. Yes.
Masak.
Yes, masak. That is very correct. And then the next activity is study. And in Indonesia, we say belajar.
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 Belajar. Yes.
Belajar.
Belajar.
Mhm.
And then moving on to the next one is exercise. And in Indonesia, we said olahraga.
Olahraga.
Olah.
Olahraga.
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 Yeah,
Ya,
olahraga.
Olahraga.
Yes, olahraga.
Olahraga.
Olahraga. Yeah.
Mhm.
Olahraga, raga.
Raga.
Raga. Okay.
Raga. Yes. So olahraga.
Olahraga. Okay.
Okay. Olahraga. And the next activity is play. And in Indonesia, we say main.
Main.
Main. Yeah.
Main.
Main is for play. Okay.
You can think it's in English. It's an English word.
Yeah, main, right? But in Indonesia, it's main. Not a,
Main.
but a. Main.
Main.
Main, yes.
Main.
Tong-tong.
Yes,
Main.
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 Okay.
Yeah, okay. And then the last activity here is watch. And in Indonesia, we say tonton. Tonton.
Tonton.
Yes, but tonton
Tonton.
here is actually a base word, and it is actually more common to use menonton in Indonesia. Yes,
Menonton.
menonton.
Tonton.
Menonton.
Menonton. Yes,
Menonton.
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 Yes, for
Ya,
watch.
correct. Menonton.
Okay, so is it clear for all the activities here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Moving on to the next slide, Rafi, please. Okay, now, to say what kind of activities that you are doing or you do in Indonesia, you could follow these forms with subject first, then add the verbs, and then add noun. And for the example here, she's saying, I drink coffee. And in Indonesia, we said, aku is subject. And then minum is the verb. And then kopi is the noun. Can you guys say it? Aku
I drink
minum
coffee.
kopi. Once again, what's that?
So,
Can I say saya minum kopi?
Yeah, you can say saya minum kopi.
saya minum kopi.
Yeah, kopi. Yes,
Okay.
that is right. Saya minum kopi.
So,
Okay, so now moving on. When you want to ask someone about their activities or their routines, you could follow these forms. Okay, so from the previous slides, it is mentioned that to state about your activity, you could say kamu minum kopi, subject plus verb plus noun. Now, if you want to ask someone about their activity or their routine, you add apakah in front of that. So for the example here, you are asking someone, do you drink coffee? So you said, apakah kamu minum kopi? Apakah plus subject plus verb plus noun. Do you guys get it? Okay. So can you say it with me? Okay.
apakah kamu minum kopi?
Yeah, benar.
Ya.
Apakah kamu minum susu?
Susu, yes, bisa. Yes, you can also yeah,
Milk,
or
yes.
milk,
right?
yeah. Yeah, that is correct.
Susu means what?
Susu is
Water.
milk.
No,
Susu
milk,
is
right,
milk. Okay.
right.
Okay. And for the positive response, for example, you want to say, yes, I drink coffee. You could add, ya, saya minum kopi. Ya plus subject plus verb plus the noun. Okay, so saya minum kopi. This is for the positive response. Okay. And
Yeah.
then for the negative response, and here he's saying, no, I do not drink coffee. And for this, Indonesia, we could say, tidak, saya tidak minum kopi. Tidak plus subject plus tidak plus verb plus noun. You guys get it for the response?
Yeah. Tidak, saya tidak minum kopi.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have not twice.
Yeah, and here we have not twice. Tidak, saya tidak. Yeah, not is
Like, I want to drink coffee.
tidak, saya tidak kopi. Yes. Tidak is mentioned twice here. Okay. Is it clear here? Okay. Moving on, Ravi.
Okay, now we're going to talk about time atau waktu. Did you guys already learn about it before?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, jadi di sini here we got morning or pagi hari, siang hari atau noon, sore hari atau afternoon, and then night malam hari. I think there's no. It will be on. And now about how to write a sentence about it. So in here we use subject plus verb plus noun and then the time. For example, like saya minum kopi pagi ini. I drink coffee this morning. Atau saya minum susu pagi ini. I drink milk this morning. Atau juga kita bisa ubah waktunya. We can change the time. For example, like I drink tea this evening. Saya minum teh sore ini. Is it clear enough?
What means?
Well,
How can we
again?
see tea in Indonesia? In
Teh,
Bahasa.
Yeah,
kan?
repeat that one. I missed it.
Oh,
Tea?
I drink tea this evening. Saya minum teh sore ini. Tea
Teh.
means in Indonesia.
Yeah, we got it.
Hey, now let's moving on.
Okay.
Okay, now conjunction to connect two or more activities in one sentence or paragraph. You could say the words kemudian or lalu. For example, we got here, I eat breakfast, then I go to campus. And in Indonesia, we said, saya sarapan. That's the first activity, right? And then you connect it to the second activity with the word kemudian. Kemudian saya pergi ke kampus. Saya sarapan, kemudian saya pergi ke kampus.
Okay.
And then, what's the difference between kemudian and lalu? Kemudian here and lalu here have the same meaning, but kemudian is more formal, used in more formal situations, while lalu
Yeah.
is usually used in our daily conversations with our friends or peers. Okay?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on,
Yes,
Rafi.
yes.
Okay. Then, fun fact. Because Indonesia is a country where the majority of its people are Muslims, sometimes we use the prayer times to indicate the time of our activities. And as you can see here, and as you may know, there are 5 main prayer times. We got for the prayer at dawn is subuh in Indonesia. The prayer in the afternoon is zuhur at 12 o'clock, and the prayer at evening, usually at 6 p.m. is, no, not 6 p.m., 3 p.m., somewhere near 3 p.m. is asar, and the prayer at dusk at 6 p.m. is maghrib, yes, maghrib.
Yeah.
And then the prayer at night at 7 p.m. is isya. And for the example of the sentence here, dia belajar saat subuh. And it means that this person here studies at dawn. And the next example is mereka main. I'm sorry. Okay. And the next example is mereka main saat zuhur. And it means that these people here play in the afternoon. And our example is I wake up at dawn. Saya bangun tidur saat subuh. So this is the expression that Indonesian people use occasionally, okay? And moving on, Mr. Rafi.
Okay, it's time for practice. But before that, is there anyone want to ask a question? If there's no, then let's continue to the practice. Wait a minute. Yeah, so here is the practice. We will show you an emoji and then you should make a sentence from that emoji. For example, here we had coffee, so you need to make a sentence. For example, like saya minum kopi.
Hmm.
Did you guys?
Pagi.
So in here we got 3 levels. The first one is the one activity only, and then we got the activity plus time, and then we got 2 activities like what we had learned before. So yeah, anyone want to start with level 1? Maybe Mr. Fan want to try it?
Okay.
Okay,
Saya minum kopi pagi ini.
Yes,
yeah,
that is correct. Benar.
it's correct, but yeah. And next, here's
Try
the
in.
How can we say walk?
work.
Walking.
We say bekerja. Bekerja.
Bekerja.
Ya, bekerja.
Bekerja. Saya pergi kerja.
Yes. Could say that. Okay.
Next emoji. In here we got that.
About.
This one is for the first one, right?
Ya, the first
Okay.
one.
Satu kegiatan dulu.
Satu kegiatan dulu. One activity.
Okay. Saya bangun tidur.
Ya,
Yes.
betul. It's correct.
Guys, if you want to answer, just tell me. If not, I will answer all.
I'm not sure now. I'm lost a bit. The pattern is you say I, which is subject,
Yeah.
and then you use the verb, and then you use the time. So
Not
now,
yet. The time not yet. We just one
not yet
subject
the
and
time, huh?
one verb only.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so like I study or I'm studying.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Belajar. Saya belajar.
Belajar.
Yes. Saya belajar.
Belajar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Saya baca buku.
Yes. Saya belajar or
What?
saya baca buku here.
I read books.
Okay. We
Yeah.
didn't take it, Miss Rita.
So
Okay. Yeah.
I take a bath. That is.
Yeah.
So
Saya
what is bathing here?
mandi.
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 Is it correct, Cikgu?
Yes.
Ya,
Mandi.
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 I'm afraid that
Saya mandi.
any phrase, any word from Indonesia, sometimes it's similar, sometimes it's different.
Ya,
Yes.
Yeah.
Saya mandi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Saya mandi.
ya, saya
Yes.
mandi.
Saya mandi.
Saya mandi. Correct, Mr. Trunu. Very good.
Ah, thank you.
On to second level, which is the verb plus time.
Okay, verb plus time. Mr. Van,
Yeah.
go.
Uh, oh my God. I saya saya minum kopi um,
Siang?
pagi siang no pagi
Pagi
uh,
pagi ini.
10 o'clock I forgot pagi
Pagi.
I forgot 10 pagi 5
No, not 5.
How
Pagi
saya saya
Mr.
minum
Ben, that is too early, Mr.
eh,
Ben.
ya.
sorry
saya minum kopi pagi.
So we should say pagi ini or pagi hari, Cikgu.
Pagi, pagi ini atau pagi hari?
We can use pagi ini or pagi hari ya.
Yeah.
It's actually the same.
Okay, pagi
Saya
hari
minum
and pagi ini.
pagi hari atau pagi
Saya
ini.
minum kopi pagi ini.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
also correct. Okay, let's move
The
to the next.
difference between pagi hari and pagi ini.
It was just the same.
It's the same. We can use both.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What about this
How
one?
we can say rice in Bahasa?
Nasi.
Nasi. We say nasi.
Nasi.
Mm-mm.
What?
Saya makan nasi
Saya makan nasi
malam ini, petang ini, that is malam?
Yes, it is
Malam.
malam.
malam hari.
Betul,
It's a hint here.
malam hari. Saya makan nasi malam hari. Saya makan nasi malam ini.
Oh, ini what?
Saya makan nasi malam hari.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's correct.
What was that? I
Mr.
what?
Mr. Tenunu, try. Saya makan nasi
Malam hari.
Saya
saya makan
saya
Makan.
makan nasi
saya makan nasi malam.
Malam
malam hari.
That's
Yes.
Malam.
understand.
Nah, next emoji. We got book and pagi.
Saya
belajar
ya siang.
siang hari.
Yay,
Yes, yeah.
correct.
Okay.
Mr. Ben,
Saya-
Mr. Ben, saya Mrs.
Saya
Nurul, ya.
Belajar.
saya belajar pagi
Saya
Yes.
belajar pagi hari, saya belajar siang hari, saya belajar pagi ini.
Okay. Saya belajar siang hari.
Yeah.
Saya tidur,
Saya tidar.
saya
Tidar
tidur,
or tidur?
tidur.
Tidur, tidur.
Tidur.
Saya tidur.
Tidur.
Malam hari or malam ini.
Ya,
Yes, saya tidur
correct,
malam
Miss
ini.
Farah. Excellent.
Nicely done.
I think that's all. So let's
Yeah.
move on to the next level, which is two activities at the same time. So we got bed and
Yeah.
also bath. Anyone wants to try?
So wow. Okay. Okay. I go the okay. So is that yes.
Okay,
How?
let me try. Or Miss Farah, you want to try?
How can we say bath?
Bath
Mandi.
is mandi. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mandi.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Saya uh, saya bangun tidur
Tidur.
Tidur.
tidur
Tidur. Yeah.
tidur. Saya
Dur.
bangun tidur. Given kemudian
Yeah. Kemudian, yes.
kemudian saya mandi.
Yes. Yes. Nicely done. That is correct. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. So saya bangun tidur, kemudian mandi.
Yeah.
Kemudian saya mandi.
Yeah, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Saya bangun tidur. Um,
Okay, Mr. Tinunu, you can
what's
get this.
this? What is this? Oh,
Saya belajar, lalu saya
saya
tidur.
Ya,
aha,
betul.
oke.
Correct.
Saya belajar.
Saya belajar,
Eh,
lalu saya tidur.
Oke.
Saya makan, kemudian saya belajar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Aha. Oke. Saya makan. Oke. Saya minggu minggu
Saya makan, kemudian saya belajar.
Yes, that is correct.
Saya belajar, saya makan, kemudian saya belajar.
Yeah, that is correct, Mr. Tinunu. Very done. Very nicely done. Okay, so since we have done the activities, we are going to move on to the task. Next slide, please, Mr. Ravi. And for your task is you have to tell about your daily activities, or you could just say your activity today. For example, you could see here the person said, saya bangun tidur pada pagi hari, kemudian saya mandi, lalu saya minum kopi dan belajar. Saya main, kemudian tidur pada malam hari. You guys get what the example said here?
Yes. Yes. I woke up, then I got the money, then to bath, then I drank coffee, then study, and then I fall asleep. I I don't know.
I'm sorry, I think you are a bit laggy. Who is it, Mr. Jununo? Right?
Am I doing? Saya bangun dulu pada hari.
Yes, that's correct. That is correct. Saya bangun tidur pada pagi hari.
Pada pagi hari. Oke. Kemudian saya mandi. Lalu saya minum kopi dan bekerja.
Yes.
Saya kemudian tidur pada malam hari.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so your task is basically to make your daily activities like this in Indonesia, right? So the time for the task completion is how about 15 to 20 minutes? Is that enough? Can you guys do it in 15 or 20 minutes?
Okay, let's start.
Okay. Your time starts now, okay? So
Okay.
oh, you're right. If you guys have any questions about the verbs or the words that you're going to use, feel free to ask us, okay?
Excuse me.
Yes.
The word bada, what it means?
I'm sorry, Mr.
Bada.
Farah. Badak.
Saya bangun tidur pada pagi hari. Pada.
Oh, pada pagi hari. It's basically I woke up at in the morning. So
Pada means
pada is in the morning. So you can
in.
in the morning. Yes, in the.
Yeah.
Pada is in the. Basically saying.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So if you say I wake up in the morning, can I just say saya bangun pagi?
Yeah, you can also say that. Yeah, you can say that.
Teacher, because I already like message you. Because usually on those on the weekend I travel to another city and I book my bus today at 8 o'clock, so I cannot go for 8 because it leaves at 8. Sorry. Yeah, I may leave a bit early, but I'll keep all the work. I'll practice myself.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Mr. Bo. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I want to Disasak. Is it sasak? Which is for cooking?
The verb for cooking is masak. Masak.
Masak.
Yes.
Masak.
Yeah.
Yes, I want to add that verb in my sentence.
I'm sorry, Mr. Tunu, I couldn't quite hear that.
You can't get me?
Yeah, right now it's clear. Can you say that again?
I want to say, after wake up, then I cook my breakfast.
Okay, so
Then after that, yeah. So I want to use the word masak.
okay. So you can say setelah saya bangun tidur, saya masak. Seperti itu. Lalu saya
Saya
masak
masak.
seperti
Okay,
lalu
just
saya
like that.
masak. Ya,
Lalu saya masak, or just saya masak.
lalu saya masak ya.
Lalu saya masak.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Tirinu is done with his work. How about the others? Are you guys done with your work? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ms. Farah, Ms. Rita, how about you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we can start now. So after making a draft, we would like you guys to present it to the class. But first, I want you guys to write it in the comment section first, okay? Your draft. What do you say? Ms. Rita has sent her draft. Mr. Tununu and Ms. Farah. How about you guys?
Yeah,
What's wrong, Mr. Tununu?
I
Oh, okay.
type.
We will send it or say it.
Uh, both actually. You are going to say it and also send the script first on the comment section of the Zoom. Okay, is that clear?
Okay, but I
Yeah,
can't.
yeah. Maybe
It's not work.
I'm sorry, Miss
Chat
Farah.
here.
You cannot
The
chat
chat
here.
here. It's not work. I can't write on it.
Oh, you cannot write. Okay, so I guess it's just presented then. Mr. Rafi, shall we start with the presentation?
Yeah, we can start it.
Okay, one starts first.
Oh, let me start first.
Okay, Ms. Rita, you can start
Yeah.
first.
I start first, yeah, guys.
Okay,
May I?
Yeah.
yes, the floor is yours.
Okay. Okay,
yeah.
so aktivitas sehari-hari saya. Oke, saya bangun tidur subuh hari, lalu saya mandi, kemudian saya minum teh dan berolahraga. Selepas itu, saya makan dan istirahat. Kemudian, saya belajar pada sore hari. Pada malam hari, saya menonton movie dan kemudian saya tidur.
Yes, that's great. But I would like to highlight a few things first. Okay, so I noticed that you wrote istirahat here.
Iya,
Yeah, in Indonesia it is actually istirahat with an A in
rahat.
rahat,
Oke, iya,
yes.
iya. Oke.
Okay.
And also you also said selepas itu saya makan dan gitu.
Selepas itu is correct? Correct.
No,
Indonesia what?
selepas itu is actually less common in Indonesia.
Oh,
It is maybe common in my region, but in other region like Java, I don't think it is that common.
Jadi lalu dan kemudian is common.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Rafi, do you have any feedback?
I think when you use subuh, you don't use hari after it. So
Oh,
it can be just subuh. Saya bangun tidur subuh.
subuh.
Yeah,
No need to put hari.
no need to put hari or ini.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I want to add for
Why I
Sri.
went out.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. R.
I don't know why I went out.
I'm sorry, Miss Farah, you're inaudible. Inaudible. Can you repeat what you just said again?
It is my turn. Is it my turn?
Oh yeah, you can start. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Saya bangun tidur pada saat subuh. Kemudian saya masak, kemudian saya makan, lalu saya belajar, kemudian saya olahraga,
Olahraga.
raga.
Yeah.
Kemudian saya olahraga, lalu saya main, kemudian tidur pada malam ini.
Okay, okay. Nicely done, Miss Farah. You said mine, but what exactly do you play, Miss Farah?
What?
What are you playing, Miss Farah? You said mine.
I I don't know what I should write, so I put it.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So overall, that is very good job. Okay. So now,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chinunu.
Terima kasih.
Yeah, sama-sama.
Okay. Able to see in chat?
I'm sorry, Mr. Chinunu.
It's your turn,
You
Mr.
see
Muhammad.
what I wrote in chat?
Oh yeah, I can see your
That's
chat now.
fine. Okay. Said saya bangun tidur pada pagi hari, lalu saya beres, kemudian makan beras dan kopi, saya bekerja bahasa Indonesia, lalu tidur malam hari. Terima kasih. Salam.
Yeah, okay. Good job, Mr. Chinunu. But as Miss Rita noticed here, you said beras. When you said lalu saya masak beras, it is actually correct because beras is the first form of nasi. But when you say kemudian makan beras, it is actually incorrect because beras, how do you say this? Beras is like the uncooked form of nasi. And when it is cooked, you said nasi.
Okay, okay. Okay. So, second was supposed to see,
Yes,
but first
lalu
was breakfast. Okay. So, masak beras, but nasi.
yes, selalu saya masak beras is correct, but on the kemudian makan berasnya, I think you could change it to kemudian makan nasi, like that, Mr. Tununi.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear now,
Good.
right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, Mr. Rafi, do you have anything else to add?
I think that will be all, Mr. Faiz. So
Okay.
yeah, since everyone already present their work, so that will be the last of our session today. So terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much and see you next time.
Semoga harimu menyenangkan.
Yeah, have a great day.
Yeah.
Oke, terima kasih Mr. Muhammad Faiz and Muhammad Rafi.
Yes.
Terima
Thank you
kasih
as well.
kembali.
Yes. You guys did well today, okay?
Terima
Okay, I'm just gonna stop.
Terima kasih.
Baik, permisi Pak, saya duluan ya. Dadah.
Ya,
Like that, right?
boleh. Dadah. Okay, you guys can leave, okay?
Itu dulu, dadah Miss Farah,
Did you,
dadah.
did you take picture?
kasih.
Oh
Did
yeah,
you
you should take a picture, Mr. Rafi.
Oh, picture.
Oh yeah.
Oke.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oke.
Okay, so thank you all.
Terima kasih semuanya ya.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. See you. You can leave now, okay?
Sama.
Sorry.